Hi there. I just had the best session with one of my clients. I bet she's just like you. I bet you're a busy mum running around kids to all of these activities and you're exhausted and no one's helping you out. Well, we talked about that and the importance of just limiting each child to one sporting activity per term, not two or three, and a piano lesson. It's just too much. You can't be sitting in a car driving around for all of that time, creating a lot of tension on your head and your neck and your jaws, and you just feel disconnected, and we end up being tired and exhausted, and you've got too many chores. So then we discuss the importance of her activities, that she's not getting any joy list activities and what the counsellors call your resources and the reason for being on the planet, which is not just to pay off the mortgage. You actually want to interact and be part of the community. And this lady was so tired and so frustrated that she couldn't think of anything she wanted to do. And the first port of call is to put up a vision board and just cut out pictures of things you love and put it up on a door or wall that you look at every day, just to give you inspiration. And then activities and courses will come up on Facebook, Instagram or whatnot and pull you into the community when you're ready. So that was a beautiful, beautiful discussion we had. So the kids were just reducing their activities. Mums were creating activities they liked. The kids could join on the activities that mum liked so that the whole family was together. Anyway, her little child, who was 6, was in the waiting room whilst I was training mum and talking to her about this. And she told me when they got home for dinner that night, the little girl sat down and she started drawing a picture for mum. And whilst mum was putting dinner together, she said, "Mum, what's your favourite colour? Mum, what's your favourite exercise? Mum, what's your favourite sport? Mum." And then she just started drawing this vision board for her mother. What a beautiful, beautiful gift. So she knew mum was so tired that she couldn't do her own vision board, so she on-gifted it. Fantastic. Let's see more families talking and giving to each other.